The Ministry of Education says a large-scale maintenance project will have to be undertaken over the next few weeks to deal with a major termite problem affecting most of the country's schools. Education Minister Faval Williams made the revelation at a tablet handing over ceremony at the B.B Coke High School in St. Elizabeth. Dwayne Anderson has our story.
Termite infestation is affecting scores of schools across the island. The problem developed while many of the school campuses went into lockdown and became virtually abandoned due to COVID-19.
All of our schools have a problem with just termites. Who would not believe it? Our children have not been in school for the past several months, but guess what? The termites have gone to school. No, so we have a problem.
The Ministry of Education has not revealed how many schools are affected, only stating that it was a lot. Consequently, a large-scale maintenance program will have to be undertaken in the coming weeks to exterminate the termites and repair school buildings before students return for classes.
Our buildings inspectors and maintenance people have been out there in our schools to make sure simple issues are taken care of. We're making a concerted effort to deal with the chichi that has been eating down the schools.
The Education Minister Faval Williams explained that a lot of the infrastructural problems at schools are because of inadequate spending. She has promised improvements.
I would like to see in my sojourn at the ministry, I'd like us to get to that point where our principals do not need to go begging to get resources at their schools, because the ministry would have been proactive in knowing the problems of schools and taking the necessary steps. I know a lot of times it's because of budgets, but I believe it's time for us to prioritize the infrastructure at our schools.
Priority will also be given to sourcing more classroom desks and chairs as preparations get into gear for the possible return to face-to-face classes come September. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.